Okay? Then how do I make my x the subject? I want to find out what is x given this equation. So I continue to write equation until my x is by itself on one side. Okay? So my left hand side, continue, I want to write the next equation. 5.8 is still 5.8. How come I cannot write one? .8. What is happening? 5.8 is still 5.8. Then 2 pi times 4.8 divided by 360 is a number. I can just press calculator. 2 times pi times 4.8 divided by 360. 2 times pi times 4.8 divided by 360. Okay? So, then actually the number ends up as 0.0837758. If I take all other things except x, all these are numbers. So when I key in all this, it is actually this number. Then finally I want x ma. I don't want x multiply this. So knowing my equation, I can divide both sides. 0.0837758. Okay? .8 divided by 0.0837758. I will get 69.2324. Then I just switch them over can already. I write my unknown on the left hand side. I write my number on the right hand side. Then I can round them off to 3 significant figures. 69.2. Okay, so this angle is actually 69.2 degrees. Ken, did you all get the same answer when you all do at home? Very good. Okay, so the same idea. They tell me this arc, major arc or the longer arc, x, t, y is 39.6. They want me to find this angle. So it's exactly the same working. Arc length is equals to x over 360 multiply 2 pi times 8. Then now I know that the arc length is 39.6. Then same. All the numbers I key inside calculator. 2 times pi times 8 divided by 360. 0.139626. So solving equation, I divide both sides by 0.139626. Really meh? Got 7 meh? How I get this number? X times 2 pi times 8. Then this is divided by 360. So this number is everything except x lor. Okay, I write one more line to then you all can see. Okay, let me write one more line to help you all see. Where is my eraser? Okay. Okay. Where is my pencil? Pen. Pencil. Pen. Pencil. Okay. So I put X out. I pull X out. Then I will have X multiply 2 pi 8 over 360. These two are the same. Because multiply, divide. Okay. So instead of divide this X only, I give this, put it behind here also can. Because this one is like 2 pi 8 over 1. So when we multiply, the numerator multiply numerator, denominator multiply denominator. Instead of putting my 360 here, I put my 360 here also can. So I can find the numerical value of this. Key this into the calculator, then I will get this number. So this number is this number. That's why I divide it to the other side. Then I can get my X is actually 283.61. Okay, my mistake here. Here is not 3SF, here is 1 decimal place. Should be 1 decimal place because we are finding angle. Okay? Also same, 1 decimal place. So I think these questions, or these few questions, they highlight the importance of being able to solve equation. Because if you remember, we started with knowing angle, knowing radius, finding arc length. Then this question, we know radius, we know arc length, then we find back angle. It's all using the same equation. Then when we move on to question 4, you will find that this time, they give you angle, give you arc length, ask you to find radius. I don't want to go and remember 3 formula for finding 3 of these things. So I only remember 1 formula. The formula is, or don't even need to remember, the arc length is the angle out of 360 degrees multiply the circumference. Circumference is 2 pi r. Okay, then this time round, the arc length is also given. So it's 9 equals to okay. So this time round, what I want to find is R.
So you reverse engineer.
Yeah. So it's same like question 3. Also from the same formula or from the same equation, just that now I make R the subject instead of make angle the subject. So if I want same 98 over 360 times 2 pi first, I will get a number. Follow? Okay, 98 over 360. Then multiply 2 multiply pi, I will get 1.7104. 1.7104226667. You only got 6, 7 already. Okay. Then just make R the subject. I divide both sides by this 1.710, all these things. So when you know your algebra, you can actually remember lesser things. Then just press calculate. 5.261857. Okay, then this one is length. So 3 significant figure. 3S.
So it's just the same,
Yes,
but you have to find
they are all related by the same equation. Arc length is this, the proportion multiply the circumference. And this don't even need to remember. You just need to know, understand the number of angle divided by the entire circle multiply the circumference. Ethan, can or not? Okay, try part B. The idea is the same, but you must be careful the angle that they give you. They give you this one, but you know this arc length. So if you know this arc length, you need to find this angle first. This angle is the angle for this arc length.
So how do we label that?
Huh? How do you label? Don't need to label. You just write 360 minus 208 lor, then you get this angle already.
I forgot.
Your angle is AOB lor. Okay, if you want to label, then your angle AOB is equals to 360 minus 208. 152. Okay, this angle is 152. Then from there, form your arc length equals to what? Then try solving your equation. Wow, Brayden, doing work.
You see, Brayden's gonna do better than Kiwi at this rate.
Yes. Laura finish all already. Finish also.
I don't know because I'm using this like as.
Oh, Reagan.
I'm using your
Continue.
For real.
How Western can or not?
If I use the center, then I'm using like that.
Ethan, don't you feel motivated? All your friends around you doing work. Then you know already. I told you so many times, you think you know, but when you do, then you know what you don't know. Philosophy. It's not philosophy at all. Huh?
Yeah, my experimental.
Fun ma.
On the street.
It's actually
You do now.
that I would drive myself to channel.
Yeah. Okay, those who are done, arc length equals to 152 over 360 multiply 2 pi r. The arc length is 26. I want to find radius. 2.65290. 2.65290 R is 26.0. So if I want to find R, I divide 26 by 2.65290. So R is equals to 9.8005. 9. Okay? 3SF 9.80. Can? Yay, well done.
But the next one is perimeter.
9.80. Okay. For question 5, they want you to find the perimeter. Perimeter OXY. So like that, like that, like that. It's like finding the perimeter of the entire pizza. Meaning you find the arc length already, you must add the 7.8, you must add the 7.8. Okay, so we have actually done this question before. Just that now they ask us to give in the form A plus B pi. Meaning they don't want you to key in pi to your calculator. They don't want you to key in or go and find out what is the actual number. They want to leave pi as pi. Okay? So if we go by the same way how we have been doing. Hey, hello, hello. Arc length equals to 60 over 360 multiply 2 pi r. Okay? So the arc length itself, I multiply everything here except the pi. Then I will know what is this number of pi for arc length. Okay? So I don't key in the pi into the calculator because end up I want to know pi as pi. I want to leave pi as pi. Pi is a number, but I don't key in into the calculator. So I key in all the other numbers. 60 over 360 times 2 times 7.8. Calculator will tell me 13 over 5. So it is 13 over 5 times pi lor. Okay? Because I want to leave pi as pi, so I don't key in the pi when I multiply the inside the calculator. The answer is 13 over 5 times pi. If now I want it in number, I will key 13 over 5 times pi into calculator. But now I don't want to key in, I don't want the actual, I don't want the number value of pi. So I can leave pi like that. So this is the arc length. But I don't only want the arc length, I want the perimeter. So perimeter is equals to the arc length. Sorry. Eraser. Is equals to the arc length plus the radius plus the radius. Okay? Then now I cannot key this whole thing inside calculator because this 13 over 5 times pi is a number which I haven't keyed in the pi yet. So this 7.8 plus 7.8, they are both numbers. I can add them together. So if I don't add the pi term, I only add the 7.8 and 7.8. 7.8 plus 7.8 is 78 over 5 or 16.6. Is it? 15.6. Okay? So I cannot add them together yet. Or because I never key in the value of pi. Then now I see they want me to write in the form number plus number of pi. So I just need to rearrange this a bit. I put the pure number in front, 15.6. Then I put the number of pi behind. Then now it is exactly what they say already. A is this 15.6. B is this 13 over 5. 15.6 is a rational number, 13 over 5 is a rational number. Okay? Can?
I know, that's what I said. Oh my goodness.
Now, y'all try on your own. Same one. The whole idea is the same. Find the arc length first, leave it in terms of pi, then after that add the 2 radius. Why I what? I want to see the next question. See worth doing or not. Fun or not. Okay, can. Wow, like that 1 period already.
4 periods.
No. Huh? 4 periods only leh. I wish I can see all for 8 or 12.
Absolutely not.
I come for 12 periods a day.
No.
That's why you give us $10,000
Every day 10,000.
Yeah.
Wow, is our relationship just based on money?
Yeah.
I give you my heart, you want my money.
Yeah, I never got the computer. Because I was confused how to. I didn't know how to get the fraction. Oh, so just leave it like that.
Yes, they want it in terms of pi.
All terms of pi.
So you don't multiply the pi in.
Shall we look at music?
Huh?
What is not music?
Misha looking at music.
What is studying joke?
So happy I found
Charity and moral arts.
Hey, too easy already leh. I think we can go to the next topic already. Voila. Okay.
but who got so much?
2.2.
Oh,
2.2. Now we want to talk about area. Okay. Just now we talked about the circumference. Circumference gives us the arc length, the distance. So now we want to talk about the area. Okay. So let us go to the questions straight away. Find the area. Sector, remember we touched on this before. Sector is this piece of pizza. This piece of pizza is actually part of the entire pizza. Okay? If I have the entire pizza, Do you all still remember how do I find the entire pizza, the area? Pi r square, correct? Huh? So area is equals to pi r square for a circle. Why? Why girls go vulgarity one? Yee. Oh. Okay, circle area is pi r square. So same if I cover the entire circle is 360 degrees. So 360 degrees, I will have pi r square. So now, when this area is only this sector only 65 degree. So it is also sector area is 65 degrees out of 360 degrees of the area, which is pi r square. Okay, so just now we take arc length, angle over angle times the circumference to get the arc length. Now we want this area. So this area is also a proportion of the entire 360 degrees. So 65 out of 360, and the entire circle is pi r square. So 65 out of 360 times pi r square. So once you know your arc length, actually your sector area is going by the same idea.
This is great. This is amazing. I think we should start studying more. Like this today. We should start studying more. Oh, it is things like nation.
Then you put your radius inside. Your radius is 8. Then this whole thing just key inside calculator, you get the sector area already. Hey, Kinley not here, you all talk for him.
Yeah.
You cannot let him feel left out.
Yeah.
It's a spiritual sense. We are so close that we feel when we leave each other out.
Wow.
Like across the world like that. You get it yourself.
Then no matter what girlfriend you find, you also like cheating on your girlfriend with Kinley.
Oh, that's a very bizarre statement right there.
Yeah, when you're banging her, you can just feel it.
No matter how far you all are, even when you are with your girlfriend, you are still with Kinley.
Kinley's gonna be in his room. I sense someone is getting laid.
No. That's not how it works. You can't put things inside my mouth.
I never put things in your mouth.
Interpreting.
Maybe Kinley.
You need our textbook.
Huh?
You need our textbook.
Today no need lah. This enough questions for you all to practice. Okay, can try find this sector area. The whole idea is the same, so the whole working is also the same. Try. Hey Eunice, why? What happened? What happened to your nose?
Ever since
Huh?
I
Too cold. Off the fan, no? Yeah.
And my turn once more.
Don't understand?
Did you put in 145?
Okay.
Yes.
Sure, this is correct.
That's 4, right?
Miss confirmation.
145. How come here becomes 65?
It's the answer 248.
Okay, I know.
Hey, it's the you're faster than me. I haven't even.
4, 5, Sorry.
Yeah, it's 248. Correct. That's what I said.
248 is correct. Okay, Dania. Okay. Same if I have an entire circle, then this entire circle, I know the entire area. This circle, the whole area is, for example, it is like that. I cut every 1 degree, I will cover this area. When I move another degree, I will cover another area. When I cover the entire circle, actually I cover 360 degrees for the entire area. So now I never cover the entire circle. I only cover 65 degrees. So I want to find out, when I cover 65 degrees, what is this area? Okay? So 360 degrees, I will cover the entire circle. Circle area is pi r squared. So if I only cover 65 degrees, it is 65 degrees out of 360. So 65 out of 360 degrees, multiply the area. That is the proportion of the, every 1 degree, I need to divide by 360. Then when I want 65, that's why I multiply 65 also. So become 65 over 360. 65 over 360 give us the fraction. How much of the circle? For example, if I have the whole circle is pi r squared. Now if I want only half the circle, it is half pi r squared. How I get half? Whole circle is 360 degrees. Half a circle is 180 degrees. So the half is actually 180 out of 360 equals to half. Can? If I want 1/4, it is actually 1/4 of pi r squared. How I get the 1/4? 1/4 is actually 90 degrees out of the entire 360. So end up as 1/4. Okay. So this number, I can get what should I multiply pi r squared? What is the fraction? I take the angle divided by the entire circle. Okay. The answer is 248. Okay, so the sector area equals to 145 over 360 times pi r square. 145, 360. R is 14. Key this inside calculator. 248.011 or 248 3SF.
Going to put the
cm square. Okay? Okay.
Actually, I already finished the
D. Good question. Okay? When we want this area, we take this angle. Then now when we want this area, we also must take this angle. So we must first find out what is this angle. So this angle is 360 minus 120 equals to 240. Okay? Then I use this 240 out of 360. Because I want this area. This area is given by this angle. So I need to find this angle first. If I want the small piece, then I will use the 120. But now I want the big piece. The big piece is this bigger angle. Okay? So B, C, D, all same idea. We don't need to do now. Or you want to do now? Don't do now lah. Skip lah. Doing it right now. Oh, very good. Okay. Then let us take a look at question 2. In the following circles, O is the center, unit of length is cm, meaning 15 cm. State the major sector. So now, back to this major minor. Major means the bigger piece. So the bigger piece, they want us to know that this is the bigger piece in part A. So how do we name the bigger piece? Okay, for part 1. We want to say the major sector. So the major sector, they want you to name it. Because if I just say A and B, it can be small piece also A and B. Then big piece also A and B. So when we want the major sector, they actually want you to include this Q. So A, Q, B. Then it's very clear. Your major sector is going this side. This is your major sector. Okay? So they want you to name major sector A, Q, B. Like that only. What they mean is they want you to state. They want you to name the major sector. So the naming goes by adding a midpoint. A, Q, B. Calculate the area of the major sector in terms of pi. So here, the major sector, the angle covering the major sector is 220. So same lor. Go by the area of sector equals to 220 over 360 multiply pi r square. 220, 360 times pi times 15 square. Then they want us to give in terms of pi, means we don't calculate, we don't key in the pi into the calculator. So I just key in all the other number, multiply them. 220 over 360. Then I multiply by 15 square. Then I will get 275 over 2 pi. Leave pi as pi. This is what they mean. Okay, then for the next question, the major one is from A, come to P, then go to B. Bigger piece. Major means bigger.
How you get the answer in the calculator?
220 over 360 multiply 15 square. So I only never key in multiply pi only.
Can I go with your water?
Go.
I get this answer.
220 over 360 times 15 square is the same. Yours is the same as mine actually. You press this one more time, it will come out.
Yeah, no, it's different. Is it different? Yeah, it
Doesn't move.
just kind of.
Never mind, both. Then you shift. Press shift, then press the same button.
Oh,
But doesn't matter. You give in either one also can. Some of you will get 137.5 pi. It is the same. Okay? So this one, they want you to first say major sector. The naming is APB. Then area equals to 330 over 360 multiply pi 18 square. But one thing to take note, when you press your calculator, make sure your multiply is beside the entire fraction. Okay? Meaning when I press the calculator, I should see 330 360. This multiply is to the side one. I don't want the 330, 360, then my multiply is below. Huh? How to find question 1? They are asking you what is the major which side is the major sector. Okay, so in here, the major one is this bigger piece of area. So when we name this bigger piece, we must name it with a midpoint. A, Q, B. Like that is the bigger piece.
So,
So it's like the other question.
when you write, right, because if you have answer key, it says O, A, Q, B. So must you start?
Oh yes, you all must start with O, sorry. O, A, Q, B.
So it's like the other question.
The other question,
Like the previous question.
the previous questions never asked you to name.
Yeah, but then the working is the same.
Yes, the working is the same.
So what if they don't give fractions? Like this time I press both buttons.
Oh,
It is a whole number lor. You don't need to press, you don't need to change it to,
So
it is just that number of pi. Okay, so make sure your multiply sign is not below your division, not below in your denominator. The multiply should be beside when you are keying in.
If it's minor sector, do we have to minus 350?
Okay, for this question, if you want minor sector, you must find this angle, because this angle is the one facing C. You want the minor one. 125 is already the minor one. Yeah, then you don't need to minus any angle already. This 125 is for the minor sector.
Okay,
Ah.
sorry.
No need to sorry.
Then for second question, must find the inside chart.
Which one?
Second question must find the bigger one.
This one, they are asking you to find bigger one. Okay, so major, this one, you want to find the major, you have to minus, sorry.
Oh, okay.
They never ask you to find minor.
It's not. You know that just now with A, right, is 275 over 2 pi, right?
Ah,
But I got answer key, it says 87.5 pi.
area of sector, major sector 220, then answer key wrong lor.
Answer key, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, answer key can be wrong.
The second one, did they give you 297 pi? Yeah, so the first one wrong lor.
Then what's your answer?
Eh?
Oh, they're all fraction.
Then this one is 297 pi.
First question is your fraction. How you get 275?
This one, I key in 220 over 360 times 15 square.
Also by.
Yeah, because I put my pi behind. I don't want to key my pi into the calculations.
All of the question were by.
This whole question, they tell you in terms of pi.
Wait, I check
So
the
you,
answer. I check the answer again.
yeah, good.
Check the
Major, so it is OAQB. Then the angle, major, so I need to find the bigger angle. The bigger angle is 235. Okay, then area of sector is 235 out of 360 multiply pi r square.
Oh yeah, so how come in the answer key they show in they don't show in fraction?
They didn't show in fraction. The number, this one also can put 587.5 pi.
Oh. Then
Actually doesn't matter one. Fraction or if it's this one is exact answer, so just it's okay to leave in 587.5 decimal. Yeah, anything okay.
I think I should just leave it. So even in exam also.
Yes. Major, so same. I have to find this angle first. Can put in number also. It's my own habit. I can put fraction, I always put fraction.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Okay, but we don't round off because it is exact answer. It is exact answer, we don't round off. There is an end one. We end at 587.5. Yes, yes.
This is the one that I'm raging is justified. Fallback accounting 课，一样的。
Okay, we do one more, then break. Wait. Yeah, then break now lah.
So fast ah.
Huh? Too fast ah?
15 ah, 115.
115 ah?
Just come back ma.
Eh.
I read last 10 minutes then we break.
You do already or not?
Do it.
All this.
Yeah, so doing it.
Ethan! Your mouth say you do already. But end up you never do, you never really get the benefit.
What is singing?
Gang song. Singapore gang. NDP gang.
Singapore.
Okay, can? All this is straightforward. Misha, why you keep looking at your PLD?
Next thing her boyfriend.
Oh.
Ah, what? I tell you right. I never lie one. This one no battery, he's like that one bro.
Huh?
No battery, he's like that one bro. Need to piak one bro.
Hey, can we move on? Can ah? Okay, question 3, we want to introduce another new name. Okay, you read the question first ah. Diagram shows a sector OACB. OACB. So this piece of pizza lah. Can? Center 0. OA is 7.2. Angle is AOB is 135. So everything you need to find area of sector you have already. So they ask you to find area of sector. After that, find the area of triangle AOB. So triangle AOB is this triangle ah. Then lastly, area of segment ABC. So now segment of A, B, C. So from here you can tell they are actually asking you to find this round piece. Then here end like that one. So we call this a segment. This is not a semicircle ah. This segment ABC here is not this piece. It is not a semicircle. Okay? When I have an entire circle, it is like here. This is one we call a segment. A semicircle is only when you pass through the radius. You pass through the center. If I pass through here, then it is a semicircle. But segment means I actually don't pass through there. Like that. We call this a segment. Okay? And this piece here, we call it the minor segment.
That is a minor.
Huh? Wait, finish this first. Then, for the same, like that, we call this bigger piece the major segment. Okay? It is just a naming. Don't worry too much. It's more important you know your sector. If you know your sector, it is more important. Okay? So this one is just the naming. Know the naming can already. So how do we find? First, area of sector OACB. Sector area you all should know already. Wait. Finish this one first. I don't believe.
Ooh, kena sun.
Show me. Huh? I don't want to see your dick. I want to see you pee only.
Are you into watching people pee?
I don't want to see you pee. I want to see the pee come out only. Yeah lah, just see your pants wet. I don't believe you will. I don't believe you really can pee here.
Raider, why you want to let me start see your golden shower?
Golden shower some more. Walao.
You should just start on this one.
Okay. So the area of the sector is 61.07256. Okay. Area of triangle AOB. This is the part where you need your area of triangle equals to half AB sine C. Because you know this side, and you know the angle in between these two sides. So you can use half AB sine C to find the triangle area. Okay, this is the part I want you all to hear. To
What is this now?
area of triangle
Oh, we're doing it which one?
AOB. Question 3, part B. Okay, so this area of triangle, we need to use this. Area of triangle only two types, right? Half base times height or half AB sine C. Then in this case, there is no right. You don't know the base and the height, but you know both these sides are 7.2 because these both sides are the radius. Okay, so I can use half A B sine 135. You will keep seeing this one. When we come to area of sector and area of segment, you will always be coming back to use your half AB sine C here.
18.328.
Yes, 18.3282. Okay? Then 18.3 3SF. Then lastly, hence find the area of segment. The area of segment equals to area of sector is the entire pizza. So area of segment should be the entire pizza minus away the triangle. Okay? So we will take 61.07256 minus 18.3282.
How come usually if we use the whole?
Because it is more exact. Once I round off the answer, it is not exact. So I want to use the more longer answer. It is more exact, more accurate. The shorter one is just to answer the question. Okay, Ken. Those who want to go toilet, go take a break. Go.
If you don't use the exact value, then in exam
Sometimes they will minus 1 mark, sometimes they don't minus. Yeah.
Not crazy.
120. Hey, 120 very long already, 7 minutes. Those who don't need one, you can continue, look at the questions.